In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your wallet recovery phrase on Tonkeeper. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the application, then go ahead and press on backup recovery wallet phrase. Or alternatively, you guys can go to the top right, select on the gear icon like so, then go ahead and press on backup. Both of those options will bring you to a page that looks like this. From here, you want to go ahead and select on backup manually. Go ahead and press on continue. Keep in mind that your recovery phrase is incredibly important and do not share it to anybody. It is only for personal use. And if someone asks you for your recovery phrase, that means they're trying to steal your crypto. So please be very careful. And basically you want to go ahead and press on check backup. So you want to make sure you do keep track of your recovery phrase. Make sure to write it down. And then after that, it is going to make you do like a verification. So you want to enter in like the 4th word or the 18th word or the 21st word. So your numbers might be a little bit different, but you just want to go ahead and enter in the word. And once you're done with that, it should now say that the manual backup is done. And from here, you guys can go ahead and show the recovery phrase at any time. So this is honestly incredibly useful. And it's something you should really do if you're trying to use Tonkeeper long term. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.